As the back-to-school season approaches rapidly, Ridgewood Savings Bank is taking proactive steps towards their upcoming semester. The bank is introducing a range of student-focused products aimed at providing crucial financial literacy lessons to both parents and young individuals. Now, these offerings not only facilitate savings accumulation, but also assist in strategic college or vocational school planning. Here now and sharing more, we've got the Assistant Vice President and Branch Manager at Ridgewood Savings Bank, Janice C. Martin, and she is here with us in person. Janice, how you doing?
I'm doing very well, Darren. Thank you
Good.
for having me.
I'm glad to have you, and glad to talk about this because
Yes.
I think it's important that for young people to be established with financial literacy early. And sometimes growing up, banks weren't always so friendly, but we look at Ridgewood, and Ridgewood seems to be doing that. So, talk to me about how you guys are doing this because it's important for you. I know as a staple for financial literacy for young people.
Yes. Well, Ridgewood, your neighborhood bank, your community neighborhood bank is doing just that, as you had said. Growing up myself and with my children as well, we didn't have a bank that came into the schools or to introduce financial literacy to my children. So now that I'm working with Ridgewood and see that Ridgewood is making this a focal point in the community that we serve, it really make it really great for me to be a part of this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So for Ridgewood, obviously, it's a commitment to really say to students and young people, we're invested in your future. We want you to be able to have some financial literacy, get an early start. So if I'm a young person out there, or I'm a parent of a young person, because sometimes parents need to know, listen, this is how you get it done, and we've got some people who can help you to do it. So for somebody out there, talk about some of the programs we've got going on that are helping students.
So, firstly, we go into the schools. We partner with the schools. So far this year, Darren, we have reached over 10,000 people with over 160 events that we have hosted. In our community, we go in, we partner with the schools because we really want to bring financial literacy to the youths. So we start them as early as they can sign their names. We go into the school, we talk to them because we realize that empowering our youth right now and teaching them about financial management, how to create a budget, how to save money, we realize that it now has an impact on them and making them more productive citizens as they grow up in our community.
How talk to me about the receptivity here, because right, you're going in there, you're teaching young people about this. Sometimes they just won't spend that money. Let's just be real, right? But to save it and to really get financially literate and to make some steps, how are they taking that when you bring it to the classroom?
But I think that they love it because once the teachers partner with us, we talk about it and then we invite them in. Sometimes they come into the branch, so we are able to show them like hands-on. One of the things that I really love, I see when we speak to the parents as well, because we have to make parents a partner with this because we want to help them so they can help us to provide that sort of information to the children. They would come in and we have our staple signature passbook for these youths. When these children come in with whether it's their quarter, their dollar, their $5, and they realize that's money that's going into their bank account and it's growing and it's increasing, they're smiling. You know, children usually want to ask mom because they don't know the importance of money. So all they want to know is, can I get this? Can I get that? But when they have their real account and they're realizing that they're growing, it changes them because they want to see that money. And the education that we impart in them helps them to understand the importance of money.
Yeah. So you've got what's called the Student Advantage Savings Account.
We do have the Student Advantage Savings Account, and that as well is an account where you, from 14 years old, they can have that account with a parent, of course. That also helps the parents, as a parent is a partner with that student, to teach them to manage money, how to budget, how to pay bills, and how to just be financially responsible. So we also provide with our online, we have a lot of online tools that you can go on ridgewoodbank.com, and we've put so many online information where teens can go and they can learn how to balance their checkbook, how to create a budget. So these are things that we pride ourselves, and they're they're 10 minutes and under that a student, a teen, can go on and learn how to do. So that they can go on ridgewoodbank.com and learn.
Yeah, and when we get up to the college level, I know that you also do some help in regards with student loans. And some
Oh,
work that you have with
yes.
student
We
loans.
have partnered with College Ave, and students, it's tough paying for college these days. So we try to partner with College Ave to make sure students, be able to go on there. They could refinance, apply for loan, and the process is very simple and easy. So we try to help in that area as well.
So for yourself, obviously, it's got to be a good feeling, not to just see, us adults come through the door, but really to be able to partner and go to the classroom and see young people take advantage of these programs and get an early start.
Daren, this is what Ridgewood is about. We not only want to reach the parents, we want to start children from a young age and to bring that financial literacy to our students, because we have customers who would come in and say, I was a student. I had my account since I was 6 years old with Ridgewood, and they're still there. So that is a great feeling for not only me, for the entire Ridgewood team to be able to go out and let kids know about this and start them at an early age, because it's needed.
Right.
It is needed in our community.
So I know you're going to the schools, but if there's a parent out there right now that, maybe you're not reaching their school, how do they go about getting involved in some of these things that you have to offer?
Well, we are involved in a lot of community events. We have supported like back to school events with different organizations in our community, because as I said, we are a neighborhood bank. So we go out there, we speak to the parents at these events, these backpack events that we support. We support college. We have given scholarships to students. We partner with the NAACP every year, and we want to make sure that we are supporting our children going back. And then once they get to that college, then that college age, we have set financial literacy. We have that college student, they're opening that account. So everything is just come together. It comes together from an early age right through to college, through adulthood. So that's what we do.
So what's it been like for you? Been busy these days or what?
We've been busy because I've been out there not only in the branch. It's important for me to get out there and let people know what we are doing and how we are helping our neighborhood and the community.
And you're finding that more people are coming to community banks, right? Because, the struggle is in the community and people are just, finding a home right there.
Absolutely, absolutely. And we are just there to help because we offered and tailored products specific to our community. So they love that.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And so we want to let people know there's a youth savings account. There's stuff that you can get help with student loans. You got a whole bunch of stuff that you're doing out there. Drop my pen, but I'll get that in a minute. But a lot of stuff that is really out there to offer. But as we said in the beginning, this isn't something that was always around.
But it's around now, and we are making sure that we have the resources so that students, not only the students, their parents and people in the community can take advantage of that. And that they can visit ridgewoodbank.com that offers all these wonderful resources and tools to have not only teens, but parents themselves go on and learn about financial literacy.
Janice C. Martin here with us. She is the Assistant Vice President and Branch Manager, Ridgewood Savings Bank. Thanks for being with us. Tell them where the branch is located. We got to tell them where the branch is located.
It is 3951 White Plains Road, right at the corner of 224th Street. Come on down. We will be love to sit with you and talk to you about what we can do to help your financial journey.
All right.
Visit ridgewoodbank.com for more information.
Janice, thanks so much.
Thank you.
All righty, listen. Now, if you want more information, like she said, visit the website, ridgewoodbank.com. Also, follow them on social media at Ridgewood Bank. We encourage you, don't go anywhere. We got more open coming up.